Migori.
Jang'ad bura maduong' mado mathika Stella Atambo okwedo mokalo seyo mag mibadhi mowacho ni obiw e wiye kowacho ni ok oyie gi seyo moket kuome gi duol makedo gi mibadhi e pachoka EACC. EACC wacho ni e seche mane gitimo apedha mar od Atambo ne giyudo malo siling milion 2 omenda aching' magichich ni gin omenda moyudi kokalo e yor mibadhi. Nowacho ni omenda go gin mag wuon pargi kodwaro ni mondo EACC odwok omenda go eko. EACC nolando ni gisechako timo nonro wi seyo ni Atambo osebedo ka kwayo asoya kowuok kuom jopiny madhi e doho mathika. Atambo wacho ni onge nobiro kedo ne ratiro mar Nyako. Bende wacho ni obiro dhi e doho mar nono kaka EACC noyudo boke mayienegi timo apedha e ode mong'ere kaka search warrant.
They have gone ahead and published in their letter that is circulated in the social media platforms that the Honorable Atambo was indeed incarcerated today, and an amount of 2.070 million shillings was found in her possession. The true position is that this money does not belong to her. The true position is that the Honorable Atambo has not misconducted herself or obtained or gotten any ill proceeds or any favor from litigants who go before her court.
The EACC goes to court and does not disclose the entity in which the client works for or the person of interest works for. That is the tried law. You must say, as an officer of the judiciary, this is an officer of Kenya National Treasury, this is an officer of Parliament. And because of this, being a public officer, we are going for his account or her house. They never disclosed whether Bonareri N is a house girl, whether Bonareri N is a sweeper, whether Bonareri N is a street woman, whether Bonareri N is a Ugandan. They didn't that. And that was calculated